Hey good people, welcome back to Ballards by Design. We are still celebrating Feast of Unleavened Bread and we are gonna make this cake. Doesn't it look delicious? Alright, let's do it.
Welcome to our channel.
Ballards by Design.
You do it too much.
Alright family, so we're starting with 3 sticks of margarine. Now be sure to use margarine and not butter. My daughter and I tried it with butter the first time and it came out more like a cookie bar versus a soft cake. So be sure to use margarine, it makes a difference. Now to that I am adding 2 cups of white sugar, just regular granulated sugar. And I'm just going to take my handheld mixer here and mix it up really well until it's light and fluffy. Okay, so now I'm adding in my butter vanilla emulsion. I did about a tablespoon, okay? I am also adding in sparkling bubbly to pizzazz it up a little bit. This is by Portia Kimball and it is really good. And last, I am using this princess cake emulsion. Now, you actually don't have to use all of these. I like my cakes really flavorful, and that's why I chose these. You can feel free to just use vanilla. If you want these flavorings, I will put the links to my Amazon shop in the description so that you can order you some though, alright? Now I'm going to go ahead and mix in these flavors just until they're incorporated. Next, you will see me adding in the eggs. And if you decide you want to make this cake, I will leave the ingredients list in the description box in case you want to follow along or make it later. Y'all, this egg had 2 yolks. That has never happened to me before with store-bought eggs. But I guess it was a pleasant surprise. Also, that's probably why it is good to crack your eggs in a separate bowl and then add them to your mix. I was just trying to do this quick, so I didn't do that. But it didn't make a difference in the way the cake came out, so it was okay. Now I'm just going to scrape the sides down a bit to make sure that everything is getting mixed in good. Now it is time to add the flour. Okay, so now I'm going to sift in my flour. I'm using 2 cups, however, I'm going to sift in 1 cup at a time, mixing after each. Okay, now I'm sifting in my 2nd cup, and that cup came up a little bit short, so I just grabbed a little bit more flour and put it in there. But it is still 1 cup, guys. Okay, we're going to get this mixed in really well, and then it'll be time to fold in our sprinkles. don't forget to scrape down the sides of your bowl so that all of your ingredients get well incorporated. You see the consistency? It's nice and smooth, not too thick, okay? That's how you want it to look. Now, these are sprinkles I had on hand, y'all. I'm using probably about half a cup of sprinkles in here, okay? And I'm just gonna fold them in. Alright, so now it's time to go ahead and put our cake batter in the pan. This is a 9 by 13 inch aluminum baking pan, okay, that I did pre-spray with butter spray, okay? It's just a regular butter cooking spray. And I'm going to empty all of this cake batter into this pan, and I'm going to spread it out evenly. Also, you should be preheating your oven, if I did not say that before, to 350 degrees. Alright, it's oven ready. And voila, it's done. For the topping, I decided to use this no-bake cheesecake, okay? I did check the ingredients on the back and it does not have any leavening in it. I didn't feel like making frosting, so I had this in the refrigerator. I decided to use it and it was delicious on the cake. So you can use this or you can make a frosting or even buy a frosting. If you're trying to keep your cake unleavened, then of course make sure it doesn't have any leavening agent in it. While you're here watching me do this, could you do us a favor and please subscribe to our channel, as that does help us grow. Also like and comment on the video, as that does help our channel as well. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can stay up to date with everything Ballards by Design. All that's left to do is add sprinkles to the top of your cake. And this came out so pretty, y'all. It's so nice and so colorful. Now, what we've all been waiting for, let's cut into it. It's so soft, y'all. It did kind of break, but that's okay. We're gonna just put it right on with it. Look at that. Doesn't it look so delicious? And it's so colorful and so pretty. It's really good, y'all. My baby's sitting down having her piece. The cake is sweet, so the no-bake cheesecake mellows out the sweetness, right? Don't you think so? It's delicious. A beautiful, colorful kingdom cake. Y'all try it. Ingredients will be in the description box. Love y'all big. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.